Now, I know a lot of people are going to wonder, Mark, what's it like shooting a belt-fed machine gun at your friends? And I will say, it's actually a little scary. It is scary because, you know, you don't want to kill your friends, not just because you're going to get in trouble for it, but just because, you know, they're your friends. Right, Jazz Booty?
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
I'm missing my, ¿cómo se dice? The lab coat.
Oh, lab coat.
Now I'm not a scientist unless I get that.
Tu bata.
It's not official. I need my, wait. Okay, just play. Now we are official. Let me put this coat on. As you guys can tell, between all three of us here, I'm the only scientist. Mark is an engineer, and Richie is a
gun designer.
Gun designer,
yes.
Obviously, because he designed the RN50.
Yeah.
And we really appreciate Mark. You know, people are not gonna let that go. They all think Richard designed it. So
it's true.
You're kind of.
It's true.
It's true.
Yeah. Yeah, Richard designed it.
Okay, so we did a video a while back shooting a semi-automatic at our bunker, and we wanted to see what it sounds like, sort of feels like also to get shot at with the different rounds. But we didn't bring out the automatics, the machine gun. So Mark brought out the M60, and it's belt fed and 308, and he's just gonna go at it, let it rip down there. He's gonna go hit the concrete, and he's gonna move it to the left, hit the backstop into the hill, and we're gonna see the difference between random shots. Hopefully this time it'll be a little bit different. I'm gonna hold the camera behind the concrete wall, so that way as they're passing by, last time experience was us hiding behind the wall. As they were going by, the supersonic rounds were like becoming louder than usual, so that was kind of cool. So Mark, you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Enough talking.
I'm ready, boss. You get the fun part.
Okay,
Yes,
M60. Here it is. Just ready. Give me a come closer.
You ready? Yes.
Yay.
Used in military. It's a machine gun. That's why you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay,
How many times do I have to
let's
check
go.
you out?
Sonoran Desert Institute.
Yes.
Wait, nice jump. Sonoran Desert Institute. They've been a sponsor of this channel for a long time. We really appreciate them. If you are looking to get your career started in gunsmithing, or you just want to know more about guns and how to take them apart or assemble, disassemble, cleaning, or just boost your knowledge if you want to work for one of the gun manufacturers and they kind of require some of the stuff, it's a great place to get started. Sonoran Desert Institute. There will be a link in the description. We really appreciate them. Anything else?
That's it. Go back to the video.
Go back to the video? Okay. Thank you again, Sonoran Desert Institute. Links in the description. Check them out. And vámonos. Let's go.
Vámonos.
Next tree. Okay, so last time around we were behind this wall, but the sound, the mic and the camera, they were outside. So it was picking up like almost the same kind of sounds. This time around we're going to hold the camera behind the wall because it was a different experience and the sound was different as the bullets were going by versus them hitting the wall. So I think the camera needs to stay with us. So we just put it over here and check it out. Okay? And these walls, oh, in case you missed it last time around and I didn't, you haven't seen the last video. These walls are about 10 feet wide, concrete, solid reinforced concrete. And these are the shots. Oh, let me show you guys. This is the last time we shot. Where is it at? There's a bullet right over there. That's a 50 caliber, 50 BMG stuck into the concrete. So they're not going through even with the 50 BMG. So you don't have to worry about anything.
I'm actually going to put it on safe to be safe, you know. It's hard to do this without three hands. All right, we are hot.
Yeah, the mic is right over here, so it should be good. Mark, you ready? Let me know what you're doing. Okay, we're ready. My hand is not on the way, is it? No.
My earplugs in. Don't blow my freaking ears out. All right, going hot. A little worried about the belt. All right, here we go. Fire in the hole.
Feel the concrete. You can feel it.
Going cold. Range cold.
He's done.
Okay.
Cold. Come out.
What is he doing now?
Wait, I don't want to come out. I'm scared.
Come out. I promise I won't shoot you. I can't hear you now. I won't shoot you much.
Okay, coming out.
Hands up. Hands up.
That was, you hit the concrete, right?
Yeah,
Okay, now hit the burn.
I did that too.
Oh, you did?
Yeah,
Okay, maybe that's why it was loud.
we'll do it again
You want to AK it?
after.
Okay, go on, go
Oh no.
a few more. Go a few more, hit the burn because that was a lot louder.
Okay, I'll do the burn with the 60 and then I'll switch to the AK.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Going hot. You ready, Jazz Booty?
I'm ready.
Okay, here we go.
Wow.
That's cool.
That's cool, right?
Yeah.
You never hear sounds like that. Well, you should never hear sounds like that unless you're in military.
I bet the 50 cal was really loud.
Dude, the 50 cal was so loud.
Don't come out.
No, we're not coming out. AK. So right now we're doing AK.
Don't.
AK, AK. Fire in the hole.
Oh my God.
It's a lot
Why did
higher
that
rate of
sound?
fire.
Why did that sound louder than the 308?
I don't know.
That was weird, right?
The bullet's about the same size.
That was really interesting.
Now the wall. And let me zoom in the wall.
What the hell? Stay there.
That one skipped right in front of us.
That skipped right in front of us. Do you smell that burn?
All clear. Come out with your hands up.
Does that come out with your hands up? Okay, they're
You see where
clear.
it skipped right over here, dude.
It hit the dirt.
You're like, oh.
I went backward. I was like, oh, I didn't think about that. Like, imagine it hit this and then a rock was under there and then it hit us.
One of these rocks and just explode the rock.
Yeah, we didn't think about that. We didn't think Mark can not aim properly. So that's where he was aiming, right over there. I don't know if the camera caught the sound. So this time it should have caught it better. Because
we did shoot at Mark. We shoot at Mark.
we should put Mark back here now.
Yeah.
Okay. Now we're going M16, one full mag at the concrete, one full mag at the burn.
I think he's gonna shoot that metal thing now.
Oh, he's gonna shoot that metal thing behind me right over there. You ready?
I'm ready. Look at his 3 bullets. Richard. God. He's the worst. He's the worst ever, folks. You start? Okay.
Okay, here we go. Recording looks good. You ever think in a million years, Minnie, you're gonna be behind the concrete wall here?
All I
You
have to
with
do is
the-
kind of push you out.
Okay, he's going hot.
Going hot.
Fire in the hole. Almost.
Good enough. All clear! All clear, yes!
Let's go down there, talk about it a little bit. Because we're scientists, right, Richie? Where are you? I can't see the screen.
You're more of a scientist, though.
Yeah, than Mark. He's not even a scientist, he's just like a nerd. Okay, let's go there. That's fair, you already showed the guns and stuff?
Yes.
Yes.
Well, no, but
Oh, barrel's hot.
Yeah, it's a little hot. We got video of your multiple bullet pictogram. My God.
These are engraved. Oh, you already showed them?
Wait, show the other side is better. The other side's better.
Oh, this side is better. No, that adds character.
Yeah, character, yes.
Okay, that's it. The video was probably short. AK, AR, and M60. And hopefully you guys kind of experienced the same thing. You were able to kind of hear the sounds. Feeling, I can't really show that over the camera. That stays between me and Richie, hiding behind the wall.
It was beautiful.
Oh, come on.
Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and as always, gracias. Right, Just Buddy?
yes.
Okay, let's go.
Gracias. Gracias, amigos.
Yes.
Yes.
Guess we're gonna fire these again, right?
I'm ready.